The real Apple Mac folder wallet is a design triumph. That sounds so over the top. Imagine I come into the studio and you're like, Lou, you need to see this new thing. It's an absolute triumph. I'd be like,
pass.
Easy, bud. Triumph. The perfect gift for any Mac fan. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's an actual wallet that looks like a file folder.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't mind it.
That's cool.
I don't think it's a triumph, but I don't mind it. Little baby blue color to it. Can I get a few cards in there? How do I get them out? Because, I'm used to fancy contraptions to expel the cards.
Seems like there's a couple slots in there.
Yeah.
To keep it divided.
So I just got to reach in and pull it out. Old school like that. I don't have a little switch at the bottom. I don't have a little pull tab. I got nothing.
Triumph. No, this is it's a simple wallet. Come on, man. Easy.
Farron says, listen up. I joined just to tell you to stop being so consistent. Trying to catch up.
Okay.
1 week behind. Thanks.
Thanks for the support.
Appreciate the support. I'm not sure if people agree with that. Have we ventured into too consistent? It's possible.
Yeah.
So the web page here, it looks like a desktop. Looks like your desktop.
Yeah. I can't click anything, though.
How do I buy? How do you buy, Will? And what's the price?
I think you go to shop.
Okay. All right. We're over here on the shop. And 29. It's a lot of design. I feel like I'm being designed.
Yeah. Maybe it's not up here.
It's a lot of design. $49, limited to 500. It'll take 5 to 6 weeks to ship. All right.
Is it real leather? And if so, how do they dye it this color?
Oh. You can get leather any color you want, Will. You didn't know that? You can dye it up. Leather's incredible material.
Like a purple or something?
Hell yeah.
Wow. All right.
Hell yeah.
It's a two-tone vegan leather.
Hell yeah. Okay, so it's not leather.
It's cool.
And I hate the term vegan leather.
You don't like it?
Not a fan. Just synthetic leather-like, something like that.
Make up a new name?
For people who don't know what the hell that means. The average person doesn't know what the hell. We're learning what it means now. They used to call it pleather. You know what happened to that?
Ugh.
Plastic leather.
The worst.
or maybe fleather, fake leather.
Ugh.
Made of fleather.
Just call it something else. Make up a new name.
Synthetic leather.
It's too long.
Compared to vegan leather, it's the same length.
Don't call it leather. Call it something else. Like Alcantara. Like that.
Yeah. They tried
style.
that. They like to keep the word in because everybody knows the texture.
Ugh.
Have you ever heard of ultra suede?
Yeah. I don't like those.
What about microfiber? Does that bug you? Mm-hmm. What about Alcantara?
Yeah,
on.
actually.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Because it's a completely different new name.
Alcantara.
Yeah.
No, but Alcantara is legit. It's not fake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's Elon time.
We got to get it in there.
Willie's got to sneak his buddy in one time.
Just one.
Faux leather. That's another one.